The plan all along since I got my Niner SIR9 has been to use it for bike packing. So I was at the thrift store not too long ago and came across this old North Face backpacking backpack. It was missing the internal frame, which made it somewhat useless, and it was missing the hip belt. Those are things that are difficult to replace. And for only a few dollars, I thought I might be able to turn this backpack into a bike packing bag. Then I want to try actually making a bike packing bag for my son's Kona explosives that I've recently finished doing so that he can come with me.
Oh! Snap. That worked.
Make sure you pull the handle things out.
Yes. Pardon your hand off. I like it. See what you mean, right?
It's kind of like smoky.
It's freaking nuts.
This was a fun adventure to go on with my son. It was fun making the bike packing bags. I think I learned a few things about it. The bag I made for my Niner SIR9, initially I was just planning on using side panels and making a very tight, clean internal bag. But once I had taken apart the backpack and I saw the two pouches on the back of the backpack and how they looked like they could fit just right on the sides of the bike, I thought it was worth a try. I was worried a little that it would rub on my legs as I pedaled. When I was wearing shorts, it actually didn't really rub. It's low and forward enough that it doesn't get in the way. With my son's bag, this is a lot more of a traditional bike packing bag. There's a few things that I learned on it, a few things that I could probably do a little bit better, but being that these are my first bike packing bags, I really didn't follow anyone's instructions. I figured I could just figure it out and make it work as I went. When it came to getting extra bags, another seat bag and a handlebar bag, I really like the SALSA everything cradle on the front. The fact that you can just really bolt it on. I really like that it holds it a lot more sturdy. I like that better than the toe peak bag that just kind of droops down as you pedal. There's no way to really hold it, so it stays out front. The two seat bags though, the SALSA EXP saddle bag, the fabric's a lot thicker, it feels a lot more durable, but it is a lot more horizontal of a bag, and loading that front pouch, it's really important that you get it front loaded so that it supports the bag and keeps it from drooping into the rear tire. Because of that, I don't like the bag as much as the toe peak back loader seat bag. That seat bag, although my son has it loaded a little funny, it has a lot more support up front. It holds it a little higher. I really like the internal compression bag. For this video, I'd also like to thank Jensen USA. Jensen USA is really who makes a lot of the content that I'm creating possible for you all. And so if you want to support this channel, I encourage you to use the Jensen USA affiliate links in the description below. If you're thinking about bike packing, I really like the SALSA Everything Cradle, and I really like the Toe Peak seat bag. Jensen USA also carries a lot of frame bags that can fit different types of frames. I encourage you to check those out and check out the links in the description below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share these videos with your friends, and look for opportunities to give those old things new life. And I will see you on the next video. Ciao.